All right, so let's start with our beautiful California strawberries. Look how red and gorgeous the color is. So the first thing we're gonna do is chop them. I like to just chop off the top. I try to get as close to the top as possible so I don't waste any of the beautiful strawberry. Cut it down the middle and then cut it into little bite-sized pieces. And you'll just repeat that with about 10 strawberries until you have about a cup of the chopped up strawberries.
From then move on to our avocado. Here is half of an avocado, and this is how I dice my avocados. I cut them down the kind of lengthwise of the avocado, and then I cross-hatch them the other way so that I have beautiful, nice little chunks of avocado. And then we'll set that aside. Next, we'll make our dressing, which is olive oil, a little bit of honey. If you are fully vegan, you can swap this with maple syrup, some lime juice, as well as a little bit of salt and pepper, and that's it for the dressing. Just whisk it together in your little bowl, set it aside, and then we will go on to prepare our salad. So in our large mixing bowl, we have our cooked quinoa. We're also gonna add in our chopped strawberries, as well as that diced avocado. And then the final touch for the salad is some freshly chopped mint. This really adds a nice punch of flavor and just gives it a little bit more complexity. It tastes really good. And then we'll pour the dressing over the salad and toss it together with a spoon. You might just need to use your spoon to kind of cube up or break up the cubes of the avocado a little bit, but once you just stir it together, everything should be evenly combined and ready to enjoy. This is the type of salad that definitely gets better with age, so if it sits in the fridge for about an hour or so, it will have even more flavor. But one thing to keep in mind is that it also has avocado, so those will oxidize if you let them sit too long. So this isn't a salad that you would make ahead. Probably maybe make it for try to make this delicious summer salad. You guys are absolutely going to love it. It is so flavorful, and as you can see, crazy simple to make. So we hope you love it.